Hey guys, what's up? Fast Track Mason here with the Fast Track Storm Center, coming to bring you your daily weather for the first time in years, really. So, I was originally going to do it from my webcam and do it that way, but for some reason my computer's being a piece of crap right now. So I figured I'd just jump on here using my phone, so go away. So let's go ahead and get started here. First of all, as you know, we have a winter weather advisory that has been issued for the entire Miami Valley minus Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties. That goes in effect from 1 a.m. Tonight, 1 a.m. tonight, and goes until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, okay? I would show it to you on Fast Track, but for some reason the advisories are not one to pull up, okay? So that's really unfortunate because that would really help. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around though. So you can see here, Fast Track Doppler radar. We are clear across the area, minus a little bit of snow showers showing up in parts of northeastern Shelby County around the Jackson Center area. We have some snow also showing up in parts of central and northeastern Indiana as well. This will continue to head to the east. This could clip portions of Mercer County and parts of, say, Auglaize County as well. We're going to pull back the view now. I'm going to show the regional radar because I'm watching a big system that's going to be coming in tonight and going through tomorrow, okay? So this is a system that I am watching right now that's located in parts of Illinois currently. This could clip portions of the Miami Valley, okay? So according to the National Weather Service, we have the potential for ice accumulations and snow accumulations as well. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, okay? Up until like 10 o'clock because the winter weather advisory goes until 10 o'clock in the morning, okay? I'm going to go ahead and pull the ice tracker up. Which is what I use to indicate where the ice accumulation is supposed to be. You can see where Fast Track is highlighting where the ice accumulation is going to occur at. This could change from time to time, from tonight into tomorrow, as we move forward in time. So yeah, and some lighter ice accumulation right there around Logan County. But you can see where the heaviest is going to occur at, and that's right around parts of Wayne County into western Preble County, far northeastern Union County. So this could be where the heaviest ice accumulation could occur at, really. Sorry about me sniffing. I have been sick lately. And plus my allergies are acting up. So we'll go ahead and take a look at current temperatures right now. Current temperatures, you can see we are in the 30. We are in the low 30s and upper 20s right now. Even as warm as 34 down in parts of Butler County. But you can see here we are in the low 30s to upper 20s across the area. Let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to Futurecast, the future radar, really. I see we have some people already joining. I'm gonna walk you guys through what is expected tomorrow, okay? So let me pull back the view even more, okay? So actually, I'm gonna keep it like this, and I'm gonna go through the slide this way, okay? So as I slide forward in time, I'm at 8 o'clock currently, okay? 8 o'clock this evening. You can see the rain starting to gather off to the west in parts of western Indiana near the Lafayette area. And as we get closer to around 9 and 10 o'clock tonight, you can see that's starting to push its way towards the Miami Valley, affecting parts of Randolph County, Wayne County, even into could start to impact parts of Darke and Mercer County right away. And as we move forward in time up into midnight, you see by then we're talking rain scattered across the far north, from northern Dark over to southern Logan, northern Champaign County. And we're talking also heavy, moderate to heavy snow already starting to occur across the far northern Miami Valley. So we're talking Mercer, Auglaize, and far northwestern Logan County, particularly around the Indian Lake area and Lakeview. Same place where we had a tornado touchdown last year, if you guys remember that. Then as we moved to Florida to like 3 a.m., you can see by then action really, really picks up, okay? And keep in mind, the winter weather advisory goes in effect at 1 a.m., okay? We're at 3 a.m. right now here on a future radar, okay? So we're already 2 hours, so this is already 2 hours past when the advisory goes into effect. You see, by then, snow mixing in with rain, rain transitioning over to snow, stretching from Mercer County down into Logan and Champaign counties. Same thing happening here in parts of Wayne, Randolph, Preble, Darke County. You can see even some freezing rain even possibly could occur already in eastern Preble County, even the Butler County as well. Then as we move towards 6 o'clock in the morning, okay, you see by then we're well going to be having freezing rain impacting pretty much all the area, okay? So where you see this darker shade of purple, that is mixed right there, okay? Well, that would be sleet, actually. Freezing rain is what you see in tan. My apologies. But still, so we're going to see sleet, freezing rain, mostly, instead of as compared to the snow, okay? Yes, we will still get snow, but mainly sleet and freezing rain is what we have to worry about. Then as we move towards 9 o'clock, so we're getting up towards when the winter weather advisory will be allowed to expire, which is 10 o'clock in the morning. You see, by then, by 9 a.m., this will all start to taper down, and we'll end up getting just light sleet on the backside. Then by 10 o'clock, we should be all done with the freezing rain, minus a little bit of specks still in lingering still across some parts of the Miami Valley, and even some light rain showers across eastern Auglaize County. Then as we move forward to lunchtime, you see by then things clearing out. Maybe it's a little bit of sleet still left over in parts of Logan and Champaign counties. Then as we move towards 3 p.m., we're now out of the woods completely. Because look at this. After the freezing rain and snow part moves out for the day, we have another part that's going to be moving in. And this time, this part's going to be coming up from the south, up out of the south, okay? So this was going to get the Cincinnati metro area first before it makes its way into the Miami Valley, okay? So this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, okay? So you can see rain already impacting Cincinnati, starting to make its way up into parts of southern Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties. Then as we move forward towards 6 p.m. in the evening, see by then, light to moderate rain spreading into the central and northern parts of the northern parts of the Miami Valley as well, and then heavy rain starting to occur across the Ohio River counties. Keep in mind, the Ohio River counties are Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties, as well as these three right here. These three are not in the viewing area, but Butler, Warren, and Clinton are the three Ohio River counties, okay, that we have in the viewing area. Then as we move towards 8 o'clock in the evening, see by then, heavy rain spreading over pretty much all the Miami Valley, okay? There is, by the way, just to the south, I should mention this right now before I continue with Futurecast, with Future Radar, just to the south of Butler, Warren, and Clinton, so including the Cincinnati metro area right here, this includes the Cincinnati metro area, there is a flood watch that has been issued by the National Weather Service. And I wish I could pull that up as well on here, but I can't because for some reason, again, the advisories tab is not working, okay? So I do apologize for that. But as soon as that gets back to working, I will post a picture of the flood watch and the winter weather advisory, okay? But heavy, heavy rain, okay? And then as we make our way towards 10 o'clock, 9 or 10 o'clock, more heavy rain still occurring in the Miami Valley, really. In fact, the heaviest of the heavy rain looks to be wanting to occur around Wilmington, really, where you see some of these darker oranges and reds. That's where the heaviest rains could occur, okay? Then midnight, we're talking midnight into Sunday, rain starts to taper down. Let's go and switch over to actually future rainfall, okay? This is another thing that we need to take a look at. This is a big, big thing. So, I'm just going to keep it here in the afternoon part, really. Because you can see, most of the rain amounts start out well under an inch, okay? Then as we move towards 6 o'clock, you see that green starting to show up. That's where the heavy rain could occur. So we're talking upwards of an inch around Highland County. Then 8 o'clock, say 8 o'clock in the evening, that starts to spread up into parts of southern Clinton County, up into the Cincinnati area. So we're looking at the potential flooding to occur. Again, still in an inch. Then 9, 10 o'clock, more areas could see an inch or a little bit over of rain. Then as we make our way towards midnight, the rainfall amounts start to increase. In fact, take a look at this. Boom, right there. Where you're seeing some of these numbers go up to 2.3 and higher across parts of Warren and Clinton counties and down into the Cincinnati metro area. Folks, that is where heavier rain could occur. So this is where flooding may occur. And this is 3 a.m. So we're at 3 a.m. Sunday morning, okay? So, and then 6 a.m., we're looking at rainfall amounts climbing even higher, okay? Still staying in 1 to 2 inch range. But you can see here, 2 inches could start to occur already by 6 a.m. in parts of Preble and Montgomery counties. And then by 9 a.m. Sunday morning, we could have 1 to 2 inches across parts of the Miami Valley already. Then make our way towards lunchtime Sunday. Still staying within that 1 to 2 inch mark, okay? And then 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon, we're looking to have by 1 to 2 inches of rain, okay? So, I'll go ahead and say this right now. If you have to be out, if you have to travel tomorrow, especially if you have to be on the roads anytime tomorrow, but especially tomorrow afternoon and evening and night, folks, you're going to want to keep a sharp eye for any flood waters that may start to occur, okay? I know it's really early for flooding, but I mean, this is as big as it comes when having our first flood event, okay? This is actually the first time, I believe, if I'm correct, if I'm not mistaken, this is probably the first time that we've ever had freezing rain. We've had a snow, sleet, freezing rain, and normal rain event come through the Miami Valley, and then as that pushes out, then we have heavy, heavy rain coming up out of the south and giving us a flood threat. So I think this is the first time in history that we've ever had, that we've gone from having a wintry threat first, which is what we're going to see in the morning, overnight and into tomorrow morning, and then going in straight into a flood threat, which is what's going to happen, which is what's supposed to happen from tomorrow afternoon into Sunday, okay? Well into Sunday. So, like I said, there's a flood watch just to the south of us. It includes the Cincinnati metro area. So far I have not seen anything from the National Weather Service that indicates that this watch could get expanded northward. I would not be surprised if it does. But if it does, I will let you guys know. I will let you know if that watch does get expanded northward. Actually, I can show you where the watch is, okay? It's not going to be green shaded or anything. It's actually going to be a red outline. But I'll show it to you here on this website that I have, okay? So you can see this red outline, these red outlined counties. That's where the flood watch is, okay? So these are the areas that are going to be primed for the best chance of some flooding, okay? So again, this includes the Cincinnati metro area, okay? So this includes even the northern Kentucky counties, and in the Cincinnati metro area, like I said, okay? So I'll keep an eye on everything. I'll keep an eye on the wintry part of the system. I'll keep an eye on the flood threat. I'll keep an eye on the flood watch. For those of you that are wondering how long that flood watch goes until, let me see here. Let me look. Flood watch goes from 1 p.m. Sunday, 1 p.m. tomorrow, my apologies, 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon until 4 p.m. Sunday afternoon. So that is, and I'll read off the counties here that watch includes, okay? It's been expanded to include Dearborn and Ripley counties in Indiana. Again, this is a little bit outside of the viewing area, I know, but still, this is just a heads up, okay? Dearborn and Ripley counties now in this flood watch, but it continues for Ohio and Switzerland counties in Indiana, as well as Boone, as well as the following counties in Kentucky: Boone, Bragg, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Lewis, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson, and in the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Claremont, Hamilton, Highland, Hawking, Pike, Ross, and Scioto. So those are the counties that are in the flood watch right now, okay? But I will keep an eye on it and see in case if this watch does get expanded northward, all right? So if that happens, I will let you guys know on Facebook, okay? I will post about it on Facebook so you guys will have a heads up and be alert to know to keep an eye out for any development of flooding, okay? So remember, turn around, don't drown, okay? So that is it for now, really. I will keep an eye on everything. I'm sorry I didn't have your fast track 5-day forecast. I will get that going. I'll post that later on. And I'll keep you guys updated if anything changes, okay? Again, winter weather advisory for the entire area except for Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties. That goes from 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. tomorrow. There's a flood watch just to the south of us. That includes the Cincinnati metro area, as I mentioned. That goes from 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon to 4 p.m. Sunday afternoon, okay? So that is it for now for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the daily weather report from me. And make sure to share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to check out my Facebook page, the Fast Track Storm Center, okay? I'm Fast Track Mason. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.